leading the first ever young trailblazers kids hike to Mermaid's Rock via Captain Cook's Corner.
Hello, morning.
There's Danny. Yeah, we have young pirates and mermaids alike.
Get out of there.
Oh, yeah. Don't have money here, is it?
Hey!
A pirate trying to get away.
Let's stick a leash on this one. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Now the treasure hunting starts. Some serious treasure hunters are on the lookout for some gold.
It's treasure. Yeah.
Ingo, set your camera for me and then I'll
You've got a golden coin. We don't need
We found one.
We found one.
Found one.
You laid it all out. You
Ew. Hey Molly, are you having fun?
On the slidey dunes. She's done this before.
This is where the dangerous crocodiles live, on the pirate's path. Coming over the pier to Mermaid's Rock.
That was Mermaid's Rock, but we made a bit too much noise and she's gone for a swim.
Oh, okay.
And then
That's where she lives over
the
there.
pirate heard so many other pirates coming, he was worried about his treasure, so we're going to go and find him. I think he's run up the secret path.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Come on guys. There we go, we got the young pirates getting excited. Pirate? Hi. Hello young pirate. No, that's your treasure. The route now takes us up into the mountains, into Smuggler's Path. There's a secret path into the Milkwood Forest. And the secret Smuggler's Path. That's it, look for treasure and for pirates. Keep your eyes open. You're going into the deep forest now. Are you keeping your eyes open? What do you say, Gracie? Oh. So we've had a great first Trailblazers hike. We've made it through the Pirates Gauntlet, and here we are at the Pirates Den, celebrating. It is absolute carnage, but the parents are relieved, so we can now go for a nice, well-deserved cup of coffee, and everyone's satisfied and finding some great treasure, finding the Mermaid's Rock, and surviving the Smuggler's Path. All is good.
No, it was a tough hike.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy that?
The kids outwalked us
Yes.
considerably. They went slightly off route because the pirate who we were following double backed on himself. So it's something we're going to learn for the future, is you can't always rely on your pirate. The mermaid we scared off before she got there, so she went out for a swim.
Yeah.
Found so much treasure, it was ridiculous. So, I mean, even though we didn't catch the pirate, I think we got most of his treasure.
Awesome. And I heard something about the Norton girls.
Oh yeah, the Nottingham girls. I mean, they came with all the talk. They were daughter of this wild bushman who hikes 18 hours a weekend and all this kind of stuff. But they got as far as the Valley of the Monkeys, and then they called a taxi. It was a little bit disappointing. But I think we're going to put them in boot camp.
Yes.
And Silver Mine Adventure will be back.
Awesome. Awesome.